scalerX AI is one of the most exciting AI tools just released, but there are a few crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. If you're someone looking to stay ahead of the game with the latest in AI technology, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether scalerX AI is worth your time. And yes, you can try scalerX completely free from the first link in the description below, so keep watching to find out how. scalerX AI isn't just another AI software. It's a game changer for anyone involved in digital marketing, content creation, and automation. If you're serious about scaling your business, this tool might be exactly what you need. The first thing you should know is that scalerX is built to optimize workflows and streamline operations by leveraging the power of advanced AI algorithms. Whether you're looking to improve customer engagement, automate tedious tasks, or analyze data more effectively, this software is designed to do it all, making your business more efficient. But what sets scalerX apart is its versatility. Unlike other AI tools, scalerX is built with a wide range of users in mind, whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, or business owner. The software uses machine learning to adapt to your needs, giving you personalized insights and recommendations that feel almost like a team of experts working with you. This personalization makes scalerX an incredibly powerful tool for small businesses and large corporations alike. One of the standout features is its ability to enhance content creation. If you're someone who's constantly creating new content, you'll love how scalerX can generate content ideas, write engaging headlines, and even optimize SEO for you. This not only saves you time, but ensures that your content is optimized for maximum reach and engagement. You can create high-quality content faster than ever before, making it easier to focus on strategy and growth. Another big win is scalerX's ability to help with social media management. It can analyze engagement data and suggest the best times to post, content types to focus on, and strategies for boosting your social media presence. If you're looking to grow your online community or simply manage your social profiles more efficiently, scalerX has you covered with its automation and intelligence. You can also count on scalerX to help with customer segmentation and targeting. The software uses advanced algorithms to analyze customer behavior, segment your audience, and provide insights on what types of messaging and offers are most likely to resonate with each group. This level of targeting precision can boost your marketing ROI and increase conversions, ensuring you're getting the most out of every campaign. If you're into analytics, scalerX provides robust data tracking and reporting tools that can help you measure campaign performance, customer behavior, and even track ROI on various marketing initiatives. This data-driven approach gives you a much clearer picture of what's working and what isn't, allowing you to make informed decisions based on real-time results. Now, if you've been hesitant about trying new AI tools because of integration issues, you'll be happy to know that scalerX seamlessly integrates with a range of platforms, from CRMs to email marketing tools. You won't have to waste time manually transferring data between systems, because scalerX automates much of that work for you. Lastly, you'll love how user-friendly scalerX is. With an intuitive interface and easy setup, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. It's designed for businesses and individuals who want to leverage AI but don't want to deal with complicated setups or steep learning curves. So, why should you try scalerX AI? Simple. Because it's a versatile, user-friendly, and powerful tool that can take your digital marketing to the next level. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a larger team, this software is packed with features designed to save you time, optimize your campaigns, and improve your overall efficiency. Before you go, make sure to check out my recommended AI tools in the description below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I trust. Don't miss out on trying scalerX for free through the first link, and make sure to hit that link and test it for yourself.